What is up, everyone? Welcome back. It's your boy Eddie here with another video. Today, guys, I'm going out to a little creek that's about 5 or 10 minutes from my house. I've been eyeballing this creek for a while now. I just never have got to fish it. I'm gonna go check this creek out, go try it to see if I can catch some bluegill and see what else is in here. I'm not really sure what's in here. Like I said, I've never fished it, but we're gonna go give it a shot. I'm gonna bring you guys along, and hopefully we can get on a few fish. I'm not going out here expecting to catch nothing huge or nothing like that, but just going out, have a good time, have a little fun, and see what's in this creek. So you guys stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and smash that like button while you're at it. See you guys here in a little bit once I get there.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
This creek actually looks legit. Wow, pretty surprised. I am pretty surprised. Let's see if we can get down here. Oh, get down here, and we're gonna start right here. Throw this little, looks like a mini minnow, a little bitty minnow on a little 1/64 ounce jig head, so it's tiny. I'm just gonna throw it in the current, throwing it on 4-pound test line. Just want to see if I get a bite. I didn't get no bite. Let's try it over here. So I made a few casts around that spillway behind me, and I didn't get no bites. I made a few casts back there, no bites. So we're gonna move a little bit farther down. There's another little spillway right there, and well, it looks like I see some raccoon tracks right there. As long as we don't run into them, we'll be fine. But I'm gonna come down here and give it a shot. This water is really muddy, really dirty, and I think it's because it's been raining a lot, and it may have just stirred that water up. There's one, guys. Oh yeah, we got us one. Beautiful little brim right here. Oh, took my bait. Let it go. That's what I caught him on. Put that back on there. This is the first one. Pretty little joker. Pretty. Colors on them. Look at them colors. Sweet. Let's let him go. All right. Sweet. Now this creek does have a little bit of depth to it. Very surprising. Usually these small creeks around here, they don't have they're not very deep. This one has quite a I would say at least 4 to 5 feet, which is pretty surprising for around here. Usually they're 2 to 3 feet, so it's a couple of feet deeper than all the other creeks I've seen. Oh wow, look at the colors on this one too. Check out these colors on it, guys. Look at the colors on that. How red, oranges. Look at the colors on it. It's just beautiful. Wow. There it goes. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna try to make my way maybe somewhere down in there, through there. See if I can catch some more down there. Looks really good down there. Let's go down there and give it a shot. Holy smokes. Oh wow. Oh. So check these out, guys. I was going through the woods and I ran into some bamboos. I believe these are the same bamboos they use to make fishing poles out of. Yeah, those are. Those are the same ones. I may come back and get me one to make a fishing pole out of it one day. All right, let's try it right here. There's one. Got him. Oh, it's kind of a steep little hill there. Look at there. Sweet. Nice little pretty one. Now, he's gonna have to do some Evel Knievel stuff because I gotta throw him way down in there. Sorry, little guy. There he goes. I'm gonna look for some worms. There's one, guys. Okay, so check this out. Here's a worm right here, guys. That's how easy it is to catch a bait. So see if I can find one more, and I'll have me some good old bait. There's another one. So just found me 2 worms. That should be more than enough bait for these little bluegills. All right. Whoa. Cast it way out there. There's one, guys. All right. He hit like a freight train, and he's not even huge. It's pretty though. There you go, guys. Whoa, there he goes. we can catch some more out of that spot. There's a bite. Got him. All right. Like the one I caught earlier when I got here. Isn't it amazing how you can cut a worm in half and he just keeps going? Never understood that. Never understood that. It's like if you cut one of us in half, I'm not just gonna keep walking. Pretty crazy stuff that goes through my mind. Oh, there's a bite. These little rascals are smart. They're taking all my worm. I can feel them biting it. Just can't hook them. There's one. Ooh, that feels like a better one. Unless he's just strong. Oh. About the same. Hood hit. Hooked him pretty good. See you later, little guy. Oh, actually right here. I didn't even have to make a cast. There's one. I don't know the exact name for these, but if you guys know the name for these, put it down in the comments. There's one. What is this? Oh, he's stuck. He got his wrapped around. You guys see him? He's stuck on this stick. He's on there though. Get off of there. Oh yeah, got him. Bit of a mess, but wow, this one's a little bit bigger too. How in the world did this happen? Oh, there we go. There we go. Yeah, this one's a little bit bigger than the last one I just caught. This one's almost the size of my hand, as you guys can see. It's a pretty good one here. Probably the biggest one I've caught. Sweet. All right, my last piece of worm, guys. Last piece of worm right here. Let's see if we can make it count. There he is. Come on in. I'm guessing maybe these are called red ear sunfish, I think. I think that's what those are called. I'm not really sure. There's one. Man, they got a lot of fight in them. They have a lot of fight in them. There's one. It looks like I'm catching the same fish over and over, but I promise I'm not, guys. I promise. Guess this place is just filled with those type of brim, those type of sunfish. There's one. Oh, check that out. Ah. I think that's a shiner, giant shiner. Wow, I haven't caught one of these in a long time. Hey. Well, there he goes. Yeah, but I think that's what those are. Those are giant shiners. Those are really good for bass, catching giant bass too. It's just hard finding them around here. Well, guys, I'm at an empty hook. It's gonna be time for me to call it. I've been out here about an hour. It's been a success. Alright guys, so I just left the little creek, headed back home. Overall, it was a fun little adventure. I was kind of curious just to see, like I said, if there was any fish in there, and I ended up catching some nice bluegill, some nice, I think they're red ear sunfish. So, and I actually even caught a big old shiner on a worm. I ended up forgetting my little checker box with my little small jigs and stuff like that. So I just kind of scrammed up a couple of worms out the ground, and I used that, and I ended up catching some nice little bluegills and stuff. But overall, it was a fun little adventure. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm probably going to be coming back and doing a couple more videos here, because I think there's some catfish in there. I really do. I was getting a couple bites that I know weren't from bluegill, and I just have a feeling that they were catfish. So I think I'm going to come back and try it maybe with try for catfish, see if there's any in there, and maybe even bass. I'm not sure. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give it a like. And if you guys like these type of videos, get down in the comment box, let me know. And most importantly, guys, don't forget to keep it real. It's your boy Eddie, and I'm out. Peace.